reciting Bible verses, committing everyone to memory. But like Nicodemus when he met the teacher, I can finally see the Pharisee in me. I have always believed, I believed in the right things to do and say. But like Paul, I was traveling and blinded till I saw the light, the truth, and the way. In the darkness, God saw my need, saw my sorrow, my lust, and my greed. Just one touch of His hand and I was free. In my darkness, God saw my need. I could name most every book in the Bible, and I knew all the pretty words it took to pray. But like Zacchaeus, I was short on things that mattered. Still the Lord stopped in at my house one day. And it's a thin, thin line between a good man and one who knows that he's been saved. Like Lazarus, I'm now a friend of Jesus, and this body is all I'm taking to the grave. In the darkness, God saw my need, saw my sorrow, my lust, and my greed. Just one touch of His hand and I was free. In my darkness, God